What's up everybody? I hope everybody's doing well. On today's video, I'm gonna be cleaning and conditioning the leather of my car. If you want to prevent your leather from cracking and keeping it soft, you have to clean and condition it at least once a year. So the product that I will be using is a cleaner and conditioner made by Meguiar. The name is Gold Class Rich Leather. This one clean, conditions, and protect in one easy step. And also a microfiber towel. I like to start from the back seat going to the front, but first we have to use a vacuum to vacuum any dirt that can scratch the leather. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and lightly tap the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button. Shake the bottle, spray it onto the microfiber towel, then rub the microfiber towel to the leather. Stay tuned at the end of the video. I'm going to show you a sneak peek for the next mod on the BMW. Also, don't forget the leather steering wheel if you have a leather steering wheel. And it's finally done. So now my seat and steering wheel is protected from the UV, and it's also going to prevent from aging and fading. Here's the sneak peek for the next coming video. Can you guess what it is? Let me know in comments down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already, and you want to, please subscribe and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.